Keep going.
Okay. Welcome back to Faithful Keto Kitchen. And if you're new, welcome, and please consider subscribing to our channel and hit that little bell thingy so you can get notifications when I upload some videos. So, I'm exhausted. Today was a long day and we ran around a lot, hubby and I. He even installed a new oven for us because ours was out for at least, 2 to 3 weeks. Can you believe that? Okay, so I was pulling out my hair trying to vlog and put things up, but he also gave me good suggestions to cook things on the stovetop. But today, since it's running late and we're exhausted, I decided to make our chili for two. Super easy, keto friendly, okay? So let's get started. What you'll need is 2 of these delicious, my favorite, Angus burgers. And you can find these at Costco, okay? Already pre-cooked, flavored, seasoned. You'll love them. And you get 12 in a pack, and they're super inexpensive. You'll also need your favorite salsa. We like this brand, or a lot of different brands too, but we like this brand. This one is La Ventoria, and this is cilantro salsa. You'll need about a cup of that. And you'll need some reduced sugar ketchup. And we find this at Kroger or Smith's. That's the only place I've been able to find that one too so far. We have some chili powder, which will give a little bit of kick. And we have our smoked paprika, which we get from Trader Joe's, the best, and it's super inexpensive. If you only have regular paprika, that'll work, but the smoked paprika just gives it a boost of flavor, okay? So what we're gonna do is first of all, for the patties, you warm them up in the microwave for about 2 minutes just to get them cooked through, or they're already fully cooked, but get them really warm through. Take them out and then crumble them up like that. So you'll get like about 2 cups of ground beef, all right? Flavorful ground beef. We're gonna put that inside the pot, all right? Then we'll get our salsa. Yeah. Yummy salsa. I like me some spicy salsa. This one is a mild salsa. And it's really good. About 1 cup, okay? And also the recipe is on our web blog at faith4ketokitchen.com, just in case I missed something. Here's the ketchup. We'll do 2 cups of the ketchup. Let me see, I'm gonna do it over here because last time I squirted it and it just went all over me. So we're gonna squirt out 2 tablespoons. Nice full tablespoons too, guys, okay? So fill that baby up. There you go. Nice full tablespoons of the ketchup. Yum. And I love this ketchup too because it's not too sweet and it doesn't spike your blood sugar. And that's really super important on a keto diet. It doesn't spike your blood sugar and it's not a bunch of sugar in there, okay? So we're gonna do half a teaspoon of that smoked paprika. Sprinkle that in there. And have a teaspoon of the chili powder. I love this. This is a really, really super easy. And this recipe can be double. It's super easy. It could be like double, triple, whatever for your family. If you're gonna make a giant pot for your family. It's bean free because we know we can't be eating no beans on the keto diet. But if you're not on the keto diet, add your beans. You can do that. All right. And that's everything. You're gonna turn on your burner. Put it on about medium heat. Get that nice and stirred and up real good. So you want to get everything coated. Get that meat all coated and stir it up. And look, it's already thick. See that? But as it cooks, all the flavors will melt together. So good, guys. And you can have this, since you're on keto, you can have this with some cheddar cheese on top. It's so delicious. It'll melt on top once you get a steaming, piping bowl of hot chili. So what we're gonna do is let that cook up, all right? Get these flavors melt together and give it about 15-20 minutes and we'll be right back. All right, so we're gonna dish some of this up, all right? In my favorite bowl, so grab your favorite bowl. I love my Snoopy bowls, as most of my friends know. I'm a Peanuts fan, and this makes me happy, so I'm gonna use my Snoopy bowl. So let's turn off the burner, get us a scoop, and get us some chili. It smells so good, guys. You can smell the peppers, the green and chili peppers, and the red peppers, and the salsa just coming together so nicely. I'll get a good amount in there, because usually I give hubby a little more. So see that? And what we're gonna add to it, I shredded up some Monterey Jack cheese. You can use cheddar, you can use your favorite cheese, whatever you like. Either way, as long as it's delicious. We're gonna give it a try. I'm so excited. Plus I'm hungry, running around all day. It's gonna be so good. That's good. That salsa and that smoked paprika blended together gives it a nice smoky, really just flavorful kick. And I love using those pre-cooked hamburgers, because when you use those, it's already seasoned, so you don't have to worry about the other flavors kind of getting in there. It just bursts open, or I guess I won't say burst open, but it just comes through completely in this salsa. It's so good, guys. So you got to give it a try. And plus there's some onions in there too from the salsa, which makes it even more flavorful. Low calorie, quick and easy chili, easy chili, keto chili for 2. So give it a try. You're gonna love it. Peace out.